So you might be in a situation where you're wanting to go ahead and fix your iPhone 17e, and for some reason it's just not charging. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend trying to do here is to just go through and just make sure you're plugging in your iPhone to a proper charger. Sometimes the charger that you're plugging in might not be working at all, so double check that charger that you're using. If you're using a wire charger, try plugging it in a couple of times, just try to check the actual source. You might also have to go through and just double check the actual source you're plugging it into, because chances are this might be working fine, right? Your iPhone might be working, but the cable might be a problem. So go through, you want to double check if that's the issue. Now, if you're doing that and that doesn't seem to be causing the problem, the next thing you're going to want to do here is to just double check this if you're able to wirelessly charge your iPhone. Sometimes you might just have to go through and just, tap your iPhone onto a wireless charger like this. And sometimes that could very well end up fixing the problem here too. Sometimes that is going to be the issue, and that might very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. And that's another very easy thing I'd recommend trying to do here too. So those are kind of couple different ways of kind of going through and fixing your iPhone 17e if it's not charging. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.